So here's another pepper update. Since the previous update, I have two more Narchies. This time I have Nova Narchies. So I got them on a good deal again, but there is some damage on them. Oh, look at this bug. I had a problem where some beetles and swallowtail larvae was chowing like crazy on these plants. Look how much damage they caused on this Narchie. But I sprayed some organic larvicide, which is a bacteria thing. There's a short on this. And then look at my Narchie. My orange. My orange is looking good. The Salicum to attract the bees is really popping and it's looking great. I've moved them to this spot because there's more sun for longer periods of time. On this citrus, what is this? This is my Impress Narchie. Also suffered a little bit of damage from some bugs and worms eating it. Not too much, it's looking good. I've added a lot more support to all of these plants. My grapefruit, my Star Ruby grapefruit fruit is looking very nice. I'm very happy with this result as well. It also had a bit of damage, but the majority of the foliage is perfect. And then on this side I have my key lime. So no flowers just yet, but you'll see I have wrapped a bit of twine around this. So the idea is to pull this plant straight because it was growing like this. So yeah, this is my citrus in containers. Last but not least, this is my lemon tree that's actually planted in the ground. I have some Alyssum also growing here. I have an air plant that I've added, and just look how good this one fruit is looking. If I can find it. Here it is, and there's a lot of tiny fruits incoming. So the citrus is also doing very good. It was also attacked by things and the swallowtail larva, but overall this Eureka lemon tree is doing very well.